This German delicacy is famous all around the world. Let's make German chicken schnitzel. Cover your surface with cling wrap. Take chicken breast, cut it open. Now cover the chicken with cling wrap and flatten the chicken with the help of meat hammer or rolling pin. Uncover and season it with salt and black pepper. Let's make the coating now. Add your breadcrumbs in a separate plate. Add black pepper, paprika, and salt. Mix it. Now break 2 eggs in a separate bowl and beat them. Now coat your chicken with all-purpose flour first. Next, dip it in egg, cover it properly. And last, coat it with breadcrumbs. Do the same for second piece. In a pan, heat up oil on medium flame and then put in your chicken schnitzel. Cook each side until they are golden brown. Once done, take out your chicken and put it on a separate plate covered with kitchen towels for a few minutes to drain out all the excessive oil. Garnish with coriander and lemon. Your crispy, easy yet delicious German chicken schnitzels are ready to serve. Enjoy.